Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to install Spotify for Mac. Let's get started. Let's know first what is Spotify. Spotify is a popular music streaming platform that allows you to listen to millions of songs, podcasts, and playlists online. On Mac, Spotify gives you a smooth desktop experience with better control, offline downloads, and easy access while working or studying. Okay, let's come to the process of installing Spotify on Mac. First, open your browser. Now search here spotify.com. Always use the official website for the apps to avoid any kind of issues. As you can see, spotify.com is open on my screen. Now at the top you can see here install app. Just click on it. If you want to use Spotify on a browser, just log in from here or sign up from here and use it. No need of installation. But if you want to install the app for your convenience, click on this install app. Then you can see here the new interface, download Spotify for Mac. Now click here on the download button. As you can see, it is asking for the permission. Click on allow. And if your download should not start automatically, try downloading again. As you can see, it is downloaded now. Now you can see here the installer file of Spotify. Just double click on this file. Now click on open. You can see here it is installing Spotify on my Mac. Let the installation be done first. As you can see, the installation is done. Now open your Launchpad. You can see here Spotify app. Open this app. Now click on login if you already have an account, or click sign up to create new account. Okay, with the phone number. Click on continue. Then enter the OTP that comes on your mobile phone. Now click on continue to the app. And done. As you can see, I have on my Spotify application. Now let's discuss how to use Spotify. After login, you can search for any song from here. Any song from here. And if you want to create your own playlist, for that you have to click on this plus icon. You can see here playlist. Click on it. Now from here add the songs which you use repeatedly or your favorite song on this playlist. Okay, you can see your artist. Click on it and follow your favorite artist from here. Divine and Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift, Justin Bieber. And if you purchase the premium, you can download songs as well. Okay, if you want to purchase this, click on this ID. Now you can see upgrade to premium. Click on it. Now you can see here the premium package. Just click on it and purchase it from here. And you can also listen to podcasts and trending music as well from here, popular radios. And you can see here the podcast. Click on show all. And you can see here all the podcasts. I will give you a quick explanation of free versus premium. Free version adds between song, limited skips, online streaming only. And in premium version, You will get no ads, offline downloads, unlimited skips, and better audio quality. And if you want the premium version, purchase it and get it. So that's how you can easily download and install and use Spotify on Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want more Mac tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.